Agricultural engineers are the masterminds behind implementing creative solutions to enhance agricultural practices and increase efficiency in the industry. From designing machinery to optimizing processes, these professionals play a crucial role in improving packaging and packing facilities. In many parts of Africa, farmers still rely on traditional and labor-intensive methods for packaging their produce. However, thanks to agricultural engineers, modernization is taking place, revolutionizing the way farmers pack and store their harvest. One way agricultural engineers contribute is by designing and developing creative packaging solutions that extend the shelf life of agricultural products. They consider factors like temperature, humidity, and transportation conditions to create specialized packaging that protects the quality of the produce. Agricultural engineers have also played a transformative role in optimizing packing facilities across Africa. They incorporate advanced technologies for sorting, grading, washing, and packing, making the entire process more efficient and hygienic than ever before. Thanks to their expertise, we can now pack our goods in a fraction of the time it used to take. Our produce remains fresh and appealing to customers, improving our sales and livelihoods. Another significant contribution of agricultural engineers is their involvement in the development of packaging materials that are environmentally friendly. They understand the importance of sustainability and work diligently to reduce the ecological impact of packaging. From biodegradable materials to designing recyclable containers, they ensure that progress aligns with nature. The work of these engineers extends beyond just improving packaging and packing facilities. It contributes to the strengthened local economy. By optimizing processes and increasing productivity, farmers and agricultural workers receive higher returns on their produce. It's incredible to see the tangible impact agricultural engineers have made in Africa. They've significantly reduced post-harvest losses, increased shelf life, improved product quality, and contributed to sustainable practices. The numbers speak for themselves. Since the implementation of these advancements, there has been a noticeable increase in revenue and export potential.